Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another tutorial. So today I wanted to go for, I was feeling pink and brown tones, so that's the look that I created, and I used 3 different palettes to create this look. That's excessive. You don't have to use 3, and you don't have to use what I'm using. This is just what I had, and this is where my hands went. So the first one is the Violet Voss hashtag palette, which looks like this. And the next palette that I use is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I think this was her second one collab with them. And then the third one that I use is the Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics palette, which looks like this. Again, you do not have to use 3 palettes. That's just what I happen to use to get the pink that I saw in my head. So if you want to see how I created this look, and if you want to recreate this look, then keep on watching. Remember, you can use any colors that you like. You don't have to use what I use whatever you have. So if you want to see how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. Then don't forget to, was it like? Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Clapping. I mean, that doesn't resemble like subscribing. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Mwah! Bye. Alright, first I'm going to put on this lip oil, and this lip oil has been really moisturizing. It's all I've been using when I do my tutorials. And then next I'm going to apply my matte Painterly paint pot for my primer. I use this as my primer. It's my holy grail right now. I was using another eye primer. I've used Benefit. I've used Urban Decay, but nothing beats the Painterly paint pot. Next, I'm going to set the primer with Kat Von D translucent powder, and then next I'm going to apply the NYX eyeshadow base, the white color. And I'm going to outline my lid for the bright pink color that I'm going to put over top of it. The reason I'm using a white base, I've said this in previous videos, is to really make that bright color pop. To make colors appear brighter and lighter and more vibrant, use a white base, and then use a black base or a dark colored base to make the colors more deep and darker than what they are. Next, I'm going to set this with that Kat Von D translucent powder. I know this seems like overkill and excessive, but this is just my steps when I'm applying bright colors. Next, I'm going to go into the Violet Voss hashtag palette, and I'm going to take the TBT color and an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use this as my first color for my lid. And next I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to take that really light pink color, and I'm going to put this just on the middle of like where my iris is. I'm going to put this right on the middle because I wanted the middle part to be a little bit lighter than the rest, kind of like a halo effect. Then I'm going back into what I thought I was going back into the Violet Voss hashtag palette for that goat color, but I didn't like it. So I wanted a more deep mocha brown color, so I went into the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics collaboration palette with Morphe brushes, and I'm going to use this in my outer V and slightly blend it up into my transition, but not too much, to create that smoky eye. I knew the colors that I wanted, which were pink and brown, so that's what I used, just pink and brown colors, and that's it. I just used I used 3 different colors, and that's it. And then I'm going back in with my Morphe blending brush, and I'm going to blend out that brown color and blend it out that pink color so there are no harsh lines. See, that was quick. 3 colors, that's all you need. And of course you can switch it up if you like. Next, I'm going to go in with the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. I had a lot of fallout from the pink, so I'm just cleaning this up right now. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm going to outline my brows with a eyeliner brush. No, angled brush, sorry. And then I'm going to fill them in using this color. This is kind of backwards for me. I usually do my eyebrows first and then my eyes, but I've been more so doing my eyes recently and then doing my eyebrows afterward. I think the reason for that is before, when I did my eyebrows first, I really felt for a while that if my eyebrows weren't set and ready, then the rest of my face I could not do until my eyebrows were done. And now at this point, I'm doing my eyes first and then I'm doing my eyebrows next, because I'm like, okay, if my eyes ain't right, because I'm noticing like flaws and things that I need to improve on. So I'm like, okay, now we need to perfect the eyes first. So we're going to concentrate on the eyes, and once I feel like that's set, then we can move on. So I guess I'm going to go in phases. So after eyes, it might be like contour, or it might be, you know, something else. Anyways, so going back in, and I'm going to use my concealer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use this to clean up my brows. Next, I use the LA Girl Cosmetics green concealer to conceal the redness that I have on my cheeks. And then I'm going in with the Nivea Men, I think it's the Shave Balm, and I'm using this as a primer for the face. Give the kisses to babes. And then I'm going in with my foundation by Lancome. I always get this brand, not the brand, but the name of the foundation mixed up. Ultra Tint Idlewear, I think is what it's called, in 4.5, and I believe that color is Bisque. And then I'm going to apply it with a foundation brush and blend it out with a Makeup Addiction sponge. Whew, I said all of that in one take. Next, I'm going to go in with an oldie but goodie. I'm using the NARS concealer in Custard, and then I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes and down the bridge of my nose, and the middle of my forehead, and on my chin. And after this, after I do my chin, I'm going to blend it out with my Makeup Addiction sponge, and then I'm going to set it with my Kat Von D translucent powder. Next, I'm going to go with my LA Girl Cosmetics Dark Cocoa Concealer. I'm going to use this along my forehead to contour those cheeks. And I think, yeah, I mixed in, what is that color? Beautiful Bronze. So I mix those two together. Blend it out with my Makeup Addiction sponge, and then I'm going to set it with my Hula bronzer by Benefit, and also Luscious Cosmetics matte drama palette later on. Next, we're going to sharpen up that contour, and I'm using my, I think this is a Real Techniques sponge, and I really like it because it has that really sharp line on one end, and this is really, really good for cutting out that contour. And also I use this for my nose as well. Here I'm contouring my nose with the same color, the dark cocoa, and I'm using a angled brush to blend this out. Next, I'm going to wipe away the translucent powder with my Morphe MB3 face brush. No surprise there. Next, I'm going to go in with my black opal pressed powder. Use this to set the rest of my face with my MB3 brush from Morphe. And then I'm going in with Blushing in Bali by BH Cosmetics. I decided to try a new blush color, but later on off camera, I wasn't really feeling it, so I went back into my Holy Grail Pacifica Beauty Tenderhearted. Now I'm going with the Luscious Cosmetics matte drama palette for a deeper contour. And now I'm showing you how I rehydrate my hair, and then I decided to pin it up on both sides. So I think this is I think this is like a second video that I kind of did like a mini hair, it's not even a tutorial, it's just a get ready with me with my hair. And that is it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Mwah!